Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some stir fry for my kids when they come home from school. So here I have some chicken thighs. I already cleaned it, washed it, drained it out, and I'll start seasoning chicken up. I'm using this Clubhouse La Grill seasoning and it's steak, but I'm cooking chicken, but this tastes really good. It doesn't have to be steak. It's a good seasoning. Using 2 teaspoons of the La Grill seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoon oyster sauce, that's 1 here, add a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoon of oil. Mix everything now. So I'll let this rest for an hour in the fridge. I'll cover it and let it rest, then I'll come back and start making the stir fry. Color looking nice. The seasoning will soak in properly. Look at that. Looking nice. Nice color. Color is looking good. I'll add some onion now. Very cool outside. See how it's smoking? Very cool. Add in some sweet pepper, different colors. Color look amazing. Look at that. Nice color. So nice, so vibrant. Look at that. Really nice. Add in some mushroom. I love mushroom. Stir fry today, guys, with rice, basmati rice. Looking so good. Check for these colors. It's all about the color for us. Really nice. Looks so good. Add in some broccoli. Chicken stir fry, guys. Looking good. Kids will love this. They love vegetables. My kids, they love to see vegetable more than chicken. So they will love this with rice, with the basmati rice I made. So colorful. Looking good. Making the sauce for the stir fry. I have 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. I'm using some sweet chili sauce here. Tastes really good in stir fry. Add in 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, half a teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Add in half a cup of water, another 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything up. This is a sauce for the stir fry. Looking good. Check out the sauce here. I don't need no sugar for this because the soy sauce and the oyster sauce and all the seasoning had enough salt, so I don't need any salt. Add in the sauce. Anyways guys, stir fry is done. Hope you like how the stir fry comes out. Look at those color. Looking so good. Thanks again for watching. Share with your friend if you like how it turns out. See you in my next video. Bye.